...2019 has been a really great year for financial markets so far, and I think this is even more impressive as there have been quite some uncertainties weighing on financial markets. For instance, the slowdown in economic activity, the trade conflict or the Brexit drama. So it's actually quite astonishing to see that stock markets are up more than 20%. Real estate has been doing really well, but also gold. So this is really a good year. Looking into 2020, I think a lot of the topics from this year will stay with us. For instance, the trade conflict, it's not solved yet, and I think there's a risk that another tweet by Donald Trump might spook markets again. Then, of course, there's the presidential election campaign. This is going to be important for financial markets. And finally, the question is if the economy is really recovering or if we have to face another global recession. In our base case scenario, we expect the global economy to gain traction from here on. This view is supported by economic sentiment indicators. They have improved recently across the board. This is actually good news for financial markets. And then there are the central banks. They have stepped in already early this year, if you just look at the ECB or the Fed. And we think that there is more to come next year. But having said that, I think it's also important to acknowledge that economic risks are clearly to the downside. We recommend to look for a really robust, well-diversified portfolio. In order to achieve that, I think there are three obvious measures. First, to look at the concentration risks in your portfolio. This could easily be the case after a year like this, where a lot of stocks did exceptionally well. Then secondly, it's important to look at the interest rate sensitivity in your portfolio. So in order to limit your risk for interest rate increases, you have to limit the sensitivity, basically. And finally, I think it's important to add some elements like gold or insurance-linked securities to the portfolio because these are really well diversifying.